Connect your HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP printer to a wireless network. From the printer control panel, open Settings. Open the networking menu, then select Wireless Setup Wizard. Select your wireless network from the list and then select OK. When prompted, use the control panel to enter the Wi-Fi passphrase or password. Select Done when finished. Important: it may take up to a minute to establish a connection. The printer will display a 0.0.0.0 IP address while connecting. To verify the IP address, press the I or Info key on the screen and then select the wireless option. Look for an assigned IP address. Your printer is now connected. Optional: turn off Ethernet. If an Ethernet cable is connected, the printer may prioritize it over Wi-Fi. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the printer. Restart the printer if needed.